Alright, y'all. It's your boy LSJ around 254. You tune in for another one. This is like a last minute video. I ain't even planned for this shit, but a deal came up and I gotta go get it. See, it's fucking nighttime, but I gotta go get it. I gotta go grab that bitch with the quickness.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so let me see. Where do I start? So I get off from work today. Hopping on Marketplace after work, like I usually do, you know, somewhere I ain't got no fucking business, right? So we are on there, and basically something we had kind of been talking about, planning on going to the junkyard and getting actually popped up. And I was like, well, shit. That can't be right. You know what I'm saying? So, judging by the pictures, and everything, I was like, alright, let me shoot them a couple questions, see what's up, and we go from there. So, I shoot him a couple questions. This is probably about 4:30, 5 o'clock, whatever. So I'm like, shit. He said he posted a couple hours ago. I'm like, damn, that bitch gone. So you can see what time it is now. 1948. That's 7:48 p.m. for you non-military peoples. But yeah. But we're like, yo. So he just hit me. With like, hey. At first I was like, is it still available? I was like, shit, people don't be responding to that. So I was like, hey, does it have whoop whoop whoop? And then I asked him, and I was like, well, shit, what's up? I got cash in hand. Can come get ASAP. And then so I ain't get no response. So I ate dinner and shit. I was like, alright. This motherfucker ain't respond. He's bullshitting. So then right as I'm getting comfy and shit, finna sit down and watch New York. What's going on, man? Then I get the message. Cash, I cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all, so we back in the truck. So, like I said, you know what I'm saying, I asked him a couple questions for it, he didn't respond. And so just as I'm getting ready to watch New York City Live podcast, getting good and comfy, and he hit me back. I'm like, fuck. He was like, hey, he's like, come get it. I like, and then he answered the question that I had asked him, and then he said, come on and get it. I said, all right, bet. What's the address? Send me the address. And then I immediately
go past this light, then turn right onto West Avenue E.
So yeah, I grabbed my shoes and I immediately headed out the crib. And we are now on the way.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto South 23rd Street.
Like I said, the good thing about this, man, is I ain't gotta go to the yard. It's already off.
In half a mile, turn left onto South 23rd Street.
Actually, the price that he asking is, I feel, is decent. And more will be revealed. More will be revealed when I get up here. Get the situation, man. And all that good. So, let me follow GPS, man. I cut y'all back on after we secure the package. Alright, y'all, so package is secure. We're headed back to the house. I think GPS said it was like 13 minutes away. It really didn't even feel like it was that long, but I mean, it might have been, because it's maybe 10 minutes to work. Yeah, dude right here in town. Like I said, save me a trip, because the junkyard I was gonna have to go to was way up in WACO. And I was gonna have to get out that bitch and get to fighting with that hoe. And yeah, man, it just made the whole experience that much more pleasant. You know what I'm saying? There was something that I said that I really didn't need. But, you know, car guys are gonna car guy. That you can always depend on. That car guys are gonna car guy. So what we did is secure the bag. I got all these fucking cars in the street, man. Move. Thing on the up and up, and then the price he had it listed for, I'm saying, like I said, I already felt like it was a deal. And then when I got there, he was like, "Oh yeah, man." He was like, "Is that what I put?" I was like, "Yes, sir." I thought he was finna go up. I thought he was finna go up on the price. I was like, "Yeah, bro, that's all I brought." Because that's what the price tag said. So that's all I brought with me. And he was like, "Oh, okay." And then he was like, "Well, here," and gave me 20 bucks back. So it's like, now it made it even more of a win and even more worth it. You know what I'm saying? For being, you know, quick on your toes, ready, don't be bullshitting people. You know what I'm saying? Some good can come of it. So that was good. So like I said, man, let me get on to the house, and then I will show y'all exactly what it is that we got. Alright, man, we got back to the crib. Enough of all that talking, let me go ahead and show you what I got. Got that Modelo's is popping. I gotta go back to Budweiser though, man. Goddamn too expensive for my taste. Let me show you what we got here. Ooh wee! I'll see it. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I mean, of course, I ain't worried about the condition of the rotors or, you know, the pads. You know what I'm saying? Calipers. Y'all know where I work at. That ain't nothing to me, dog. Yeah, I see it there. I was able to scratch off, trying to clean it up. The tube out the axle. 2LX. I know that's upside down for y'all, but 2LX comes with 308 gears, limited slip. Yes, sir. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So, just as I'm clearing the walkway, clean the garage up, now some back in the way. So, is what it is, man. Is what it is. But like I said, man, there was too good to pass up, man. I had to grab it. So, like I said, it was something classic. I mentioned I was grabbing one for the box. Oh, let me tell you what it is. So this is a 96 Caprice cop car rear end with the disc brake set up. So now you know. But yeah, that thing on there, tell you what you need to know. This will be an upgrade over the 7.5 that's originally in the two-door box. This is a 8.5. So we able to upgrade to them discs. I probably have to look into getting axles, because y'all know I rock my rocks. And I'm probably not gonna run no adapters. So yeah. Yeah, man. Like I said, got a great deal on it. Put it down in the comments what you think I paid for it. And then eventually I'll reveal it in a different video. But yeah, man. 8.5 2LX on the code. And I'll put it up here on the screen what it means, 2LX. Or you can do your own research if you don't believe me. And go from there. We coming, baby. I said I wasn't gonna do nothing else that wasn't on the board, but like I said, man, I had to. I had to get it, though. It was right here in my city. It was only right. You know what I'm talking about? So we up. Alright, man, until next time, it's your boy Ellis Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.